Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel Bioessentials. So, today our topic is central nervous system. The central nervous system CNS consists of brain and spinal cord. Brain. The brain is enclosed within skull, cranium, and covered with three protective membranes collectively called meninges. Between these membrane, blood plasma like fluid is present, which is known as cerebrospinal fluid CSF, which nourish and protect the brain from physical injuries. These membranes and fluid are also present in spinal cord. The brain contains four cavities called ventricles filled with same cerebrospinal fluid. These ventricles connected with the cavity of spinal cord known as central canal. For convenience, brain is divided into three major parts. Forebrain. It is highly developed anterior part of brain in human. It is largest part of the brain and further consists of three parts. Cerebrum. It is larger part of the forebrain. About more than half of entire brain cerebrum is differentiated into right and left portion known as cerebral hemisphere. Both are connected by a band of axons known as corpus callosum. The outer region of cerebrum is called cerebral cortex, which is highly convoluted, folded. Thus, it increases surface area. Cerebrum is divided into four loops, that is frontal, parietal, temporal, and occipital. Frontal loop control speech, motor function as skeletal muscle. Parietal loop and sensory impulses which comes from skin. Occipital loop receive and analyze visual sight information from eyes. Temporal loop is involved with smell and hearing. These areas also control memory, reasoning, judgment, emotional feeling, and intelligence, etc. Thalamus. It is located below the cerebrum. Thalamus acts as relay station and clearing house. It carries all sensory information like hearing, sight, taste, and touch, except smell. Hypothalamus. It is located ventral to thalamus in front of midbrain. An important endocrine gland called pituitary gland is attached to the function of hypothalamus is to maintain homeostasis link between nervous and endocrine system. It also controls hunger, sleep, body temperature, blood pressure, and water balance. It extra midbrain. It connects forebrain with the hindbrain, very small and reduced in man. It receives sensory information and conduct to appropriate part of brain. It also controls reflex movement of eyes and hearing. Hindbrain Hindbrain further consists of three parts: cerebrum, pons, and medulla oblongata. Cerebrum is the second largest part of brain, about 1 over than 10 of entire brain. It controls equilibrium, muscular coordination such as running, walking, riding bicycle, or learning, and memory storage for behavior. Pons is small loops-like structure located above the medulla. It acts as bridge between cerebrum, medulla, and cerebrum, and also helps medulla to control breathing. Medulla oblongata is the lower part of the hindbrain which connects brain with the spinal cord. The function of medulla is control many automatic and involuntary function of body such as breathing, sweating, vomiting, heartbeat rate, and circulation of blood. It extra. The spinal cord is an elongated, hollow, and cylindrical tube continues elongate halos and slender tube continues from medulla of brain and placed within vertebral column. It contains an inner gray matter non-myelinated part and outer, while matter myelated part spinal cord controls all the reflexes which comes below the neck region and also conducts impulses to form the in the thus helps in better functioning of brain.